Hudson County Superior Court trial of North Bergen Department of Public Works Supervisors Troy Bonero and Francis Longo intensified on Tuesday, where an investigator from the State Attorney General's office testified that James Wiley wore a wire as part of their investigation into the department.
When Paul Fogno, the lawyer representing Francis Longo, was cross-examining Joseph Salvatore, a civil investigator for the State Attorney General's office, he referred to his North Bergen power hierarchy chart to try and uncover who are the true target or targets of this investigation.
You agree that that's the hierarchy of power in North Bergen, at least in relation to the DPW, correct?
Yes, the funny thing over there is that there's other commissioners.
Okay, so equal to Frank Audrullo, am I correct?
That's correct.
But Frank Audrullo, is there one commissioner for the DPW?
Yes, sir. Mr. Audrullo.
So there's other commissioners, but they're not dealing with the DPW,
Yes,
correct? Right. Now, let me understand. Mr. Grassi has been charged criminally, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Wiley has been charged criminally, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
And we obviously know that Frank Longo and Troy Bonero have been charged criminally, correct?
Yes, sir.
We know that none of these people under here have been charged, correct? Okay. Frank Audrullo has not been charged, correct?
Yes, sir.
Mayor Nicholas has not been charged, correct? Is it not fair to say that your ongoing investigation is ongoing, correct?
Certain parts of it, yes.
It's above Mr. Grassi, am I correct? The ongoing investigation relates to Commissioner Frank Audrullo and Mayor Nicholas, correct?
No.
No. Are you aware that Mr. Wiley, when he wore a wire, had to get authorization from the court to wear the wire? Are you aware of that?
Yes, sir.
That's standard procedure, correct? You have to go and ask the court for permission, or not the court, but to get an authorization from law enforcement to do what's called a conceptual intercept, correct?
It's someone within our agency, I think.
Okay. And so, for example, they would say, I want to call up so-and-so, and I want to tape my phone conversation with so-and-so, correct? That would be an intercept. And somebody else now is going to listen into that, correct? Or it's going to be taped.
Yes, sir.
And that's what Mr. Jim Wiley was doing, am I correct?
He had a wire and he had a camera also.
Was the target of his working for you guys, was it not part of it, Nicholas Sacco? Trying to get information about Nicholas Sacco?
It was to get information from whoever he could get it from.
Have you ever seen the request for the consensual intercept in this case?
No, sir.
Did you ever discuss with anyone who the target of the consensual intercept was?
No.
So you're not aware whether it's John Smith, Joe Smith, Dick Sacco, or Frank Audrullo who was the target of that continued investigation, correct?
Whoever Mr. Wiley spoke to at that time, whoever he tried to seek information.
Was he being directed to try to get information from people?
Not by me, sir.
By who?
It would be by Detective Eric Brown or somebody above him.
So we have to answer this question to somebody else, correct?
That's all I have to answer.
Above your pay scale today, correct?
I don't want to say that, but I had nothing to do with who he spoke to, who he didn't speak to.
But are you part of this ongoing investigation? Are you an investigator?
Yes, I am, but I don't know every aspect.
And you can't tell us who the... Well, I would expect that when you have an investigation ongoing, you just don't investigate in a vacuum. You want to have... You know the term target is correct? Target means you're looking at a specific person or persons, correct?
Yes.
And it's in your testimony, I just want to be clear, I'm going to let you go. Under your testimony, you do not know... Well, let me ask you first. Do you know whether Nicholas Sacco, the mayor of North Bergen, state senator, is a target of the continuing investigation? Do you know or don't?
No, I don't know.
I'm John Heides with the Hudson County View, the eye of the community.